Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and granting permissions. Make sure your iPhone is up to date, microphone access is allowed, and you're in a quiet room. Once done, open the Accessibility Voice section and choose Create Personal Voice. You'll see instructions and a list of short phrases to record. Start recording each phrase clearly and at a natural pace. Don't rush. Consistent tone helps the model learn. If a phrase fails, re-record it immediately so quality stays high. Next, you move through the core recording session where attention to detail matters. Speak each prompted phrase naturally and keep the same distance from the microphone. This consistency improves matching. If background noise or a slip occurs, re-record that specific phrase right away. As you finish, the device uploads or processes the samples to build the voice model. Monitor progress, and follow any on-screen suggestions to add extra samples if asked. Once the system confirms completion, move on to integrate the voice with Siri. Finally, enable your personal voice for Siri inside the voice or Siri settings and assign it to voice responses. Test with a mix of short commands and longer queries so you hear how it handles different sentence shapes. Pay attention to pronunciation and timing. If Siri misunderstands, reopen the personal voice section and re-record only the problematic phrases or regenerate the model if multiple issues persist. For stubborn errors, reset the personal voice and repeat recording in a quieter environment to fix quality problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.